up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing a game of bottle domination. There are 10 domination points throughout the field, and the objective is to have our blue team bottle in the container, and whichever team has the most points at the end of 25 minutes wins.
Enjoy the gameplay.
Does he know what channel y'all are on?
I fixed it.
Careful, he might rickroll you.
That
Again.
was pretty funny. That was good.
And so you are.
Like a peanut special.
Yeah. Did you hear what I said? Yeah.
What?
Every word of it. Every word. Good to go.
We go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage, engage, engage!
Oh shoot! Oh my gosh, there's so much water. Holy moly! Oh! Regret. Oh shoot! There's so much water over there. My feet are soaking wet.
Yeah, I was just throwing snowballs at everyone out there. Look at that.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, Lee.
We might need to move those two guys back. They're just smoking them all.
That was kind of ridiculous.
Ow, popped like 7 ricochets.
I got it. Hit. Nice trade. It's on.
Shoot them like.
Thank you guys for watching. We started this channel to showcase the fun of playing Airsoft with family and friends and encourage you to try it out.
Also, huge thank you to US Airsoft and referees for an amazing experience. If you want to check out their videos and support their channel, the link is in the description.
In the description.